Ekiombe yokorwania mariogo yogotinde imense ya Kenya NACADA nigo kyenekire buna mariogo ayo akoirera abantu gotemanya akorokwa buna fentanyl ataraika ime yense ya Kenya eyamagega yobotkibwe ime gokorwa magega yebipimo bike bya mariogo yogotindwa koirwa korwa sensemo ya pwan na gokorerwa obotki bwe ime kegima ase yanyorekanire buna ebipime byo nigo bitabwatia gose nigo bitari amarioga yakoirera abantu gotaimanya nani gagocha magega yegati abasae gose chibicha nabo igochi video chegati abasae korwa sensemo ya pwani korokana se emitandao bare bakorokana batemanyeti ase abateneneri korwa se kiumbe kyo kya NACADA abateru nani go baragendere kubwatrana ne serikali ase ogokora obotki wemekegima kubwatkana na mariogo yogotindia.
State that we have not found any reported fentanyl case. You know, the fentanyl was the fentanyl is the drug which we really suspected could have been the cause of this. And as you know, it is a very dangerous drug. Countries where this drug has been reported has shown very devastating effects.
As NACADA, we will work with the Pharmacy and Poisons Board to see that those drugs that are prescribed go to the right people and that they will work out in a professional way so that they are not abused in any way.
Kwa hivyo nashukuru sana kwa hii natija ambayo imetoka kwa hatuna fentanyl. Fentanyl ndio ilikuwa ina wasiwasi mkubwa sana kwetu. Lakini tumenukuu matatizo. Bwana CEO amesema hapa matatizo ya kupata ile poly drug use ambao watu wanachanganya. Nafikiri kama pia maswali yenu yalikuwa sawa sana ambao inaambatana sambamba na hii ripoti kuwa baada ya hapa tufanye nini.